Hey guys, so I wanted to show you a attachment we picked up at the beginning of this year actually, but just getting around to making a video. It is a skid steer box grader, and I got it from DoMor equipment. So here it is. It's a 84-inch wide version of it. It's called the SSMA-84. They make three different sizes of it, a 72 and also a 96. And then, so on this one, it's got these two blades, or two blade rails, and then the two blades on each rail. So they're curved. And it's nice because you can use it in forward and reverse. So this is really good for grading out gravel driveways, or you can grade out lawns. So if you don't want to spend the money on like a Harley rake type thing that you've seen in my other videos, this might be an option for you because it is cheaper. We use it for grading out parking lots. Then on our bigger paver jobs like driveways, we're using it more because the Harley rake kicks out the stones. But this does not. It actually kind of mixes the gravel together, which is really nice as well. So I have a couple of videos of this coming up. The next video coming up is of grading our driveway at the shop. Show you kind of how I use it, so stay tuned for that. I found these guys actually online, and I just shot them an email, and one of their sales guys got back to me. So you can order them online. The link to their website is down in the description, and I'll provide the email as well, just in case you guys are interested. They're kind of neat company, made all in the USA, made in Illinois, so pretty cool on that. They also, so actually the nice thing about this one is you can actually angle these blades, so you can tilt them this way or you can tilt them that way. So if you're doing a driveway and you want to pull all the material from the edges that might have got kicked out by the car tires back into the center, you can angle them and it'll pull all the material back in, or it can push it out. So on this side you'll see two bolts, and this is the pivot point on this side. And then you'll see two bolts here, and that's for the skid plate down on the bottom. So if you come over here, this is where it moves. So you just undo this bolt, you loosen the other side as well, and you can pivot it over to here, and you'll give yourself an angle, or the other way, wherever you want. So there's a bunch of holes here. So they have three different versions of this box blade, and one of them is the SSF series fixed. So basically that means the grading beams do not move at all. Then they have this version, which is the manual adjustment, and then they also have the SSHA series, and that's the hydraulic adjustable Dura grader. So that one has like a hydraulic piston on the side here, and you just can change it from inside the cab, but we felt like we didn't need that or spend the extra money for that, so that's why we got this one. So it actually works really good. It's super well built. That's kind of why we went with this one. It seemed well built than the other ones that I had looked up online. The other neat thing is these plates are reversible. So you're going to get a ton of life out of them. If you wear them out on the bottom, you just flip them over. And kind of how it works is you can see the blades stick down beyond the skid plates. So that's kind of how it digs in, and based off of just how much pressure you push down on it, or little amount of pressure, is how far you dig. And you'll see in some videos coming up, the material kind of flows right over and kind of mixes it all together, which is really nice, and it really helps to smooth out the areas. So just wanted to give you guys a quick walk around on this new attachment that we got.